Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to embed web page using iFrame code in WordPress website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now go to edit page and now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. So we are using iFrame code. Now you see iFrame and then you see source. So we added website link, so you can add your web page link here, and then you see height 500 px, so you can set height according to your requirement, and then you see width 100%, and then close iframe and then click on update. Now page updated done. Go to web page, refresh the page. Now you see page is embedded by using iframe code. You see width 100%. And then you see height 500 px we set, so you can add your web page link and you can set height and width according to your requirement. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.